Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your mobile device to your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect a different mobile device to your Hyundai Santa Fe. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on Setup, which is at this point right over here. And then next, you're going to click on Device Connections. And then from here, you're going to click on Add New Device. Now, once you've done so, you want to go ahead and turn on Bluetooth on your mobile device. And once you've done so, you want to go ahead and find the name that says Santa Fe. So simply just follow the on-screen prompts, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your mobile device to your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.